Hello GATE aspirants, welcome to part 11 of GATE General Aptitude series. Question 1. He is known for his unscrupulous ways. He always sheds crocodile tears. So option C is correct here, crocodile tears. Question number 2. Jofra Archer, the England fast bowler, is dash than accurate. So here comparative degree should be used. So here we can say more fast than accurate. Select the word that fits the analogy. Build, building. So here noun form is used. So for grow, growth. So option C is correct. Question 4. I do not think you know the case well enough to have opinions. Having said that, I agree with your other point. What does the phrase having said that mean in the given context? So here it means that even though I have said that, having said that means despite what I have said. So here option B is correct. Question 5. Define x as the greatest integer less than or equal to x for each x belonging to minus infinity to plus infinity. Function is given and we have to find area under y for x belonging to closed interval 1 to 4. So let us draw this function. On this axis y and on this axis x. So we have 1, 2, 3 and then 4. The function gives you value that is an integer that has value less than or equal to x. So here it will be at 0. Then in between 1 and 2 it will be at 1. Then between 2 and 3 it will be at 2. And in between 3 and 4 it will be at 3. So this will be the function and we can easily find out the area. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total area under the curve is 6 because all are squares of dimensions 1 cross 1. So option D is correct. Question 6. Crowdfunding deals with mobilization of funds for a project from a large number of people who would be willing to invest smaller amounts through web-based platforms in the project. Based on the above paragraph, which of the following is correct about crowdfunding? So fund rates too, this is same in all the options. So these are smaller investments through web-based platforms and the people are willing to invest. So these are voluntary contributions on web-based platform. So option D is correct here. Question 7. P, Q, R, S are to be uniquely coded using alpha and beta. If P is coded as alpha alpha and Q is coded as alpha beta, then R and S respectively. So other combinations are beta alpha and beta beta. So these can be R and S. So beta alpha and beta beta, that means option D is correct. Question number 8. The sum of first n terms in the sequence 8, 88, 888 and so on is. So here we have to find the sum. So S is equal to 8 plus 888 plus 888 plus 8888 and so on up to n terms. So there are n such terms. Now we can take 8 common from this. So 8 in bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and so on up to n terms. Now to simplify this, we have to convert this into a geometric series. So here I can take 9 common as well, 1 by 9. So this will be 9 plus 99 plus 999 and so on. Now this 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. 1000 minus 1 and so on. We can take this 10 terms common. So 10 plus 100 plus 1000 up to n terms minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, this will be n times. So minus n into 8 by 9. Now this summation, this part, this is a geometric series. and geometric series is a in bracket r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1, where a is first term and r is the common ratio. Here the common ratio is 10 and first term is also 10. So 10 into 10 raised to n minus 1 upon 10 minus 1, that is 9. So 10 into 10 raised to n minus 1 upon 9. So the summation will be 8 by 9 into 10 into 10 raised to n minus 1 upon 9 minus n. We can multiply by 8 by 9. So this will be 80 upon 81 into 10 raised to n minus 1 minus 18 by 9. So here option D is correct. Question number 9. Select the graph that schematically represents both y is equal to x raised to m and y is equal to x raised to 1 by m properly in the interval 0 to 1 for integer values of m where m is greater than 1. Now the graph should be valid for all values of m and m has to be greater than 1. So let us take m is equal to 2. So if m is equal to 2, we have two graphs, y is equal to x square and y is equal to x raised to half. This means I can take square on both sides. This means y square is equal to x. So we have to plot these two graphs in the interval 0 to 1. So let us do that. So I am plotting y versus x. Y is equal to x square, that will be a parabola. So this parabola will look like this. So this is for x raised to 2. Second one is x is equal to y square. So this will be parabola but on the x axis. So it will be like this. So this is parabola for y square. Now if we want to check in the interval 0 to 1, let us take value of x to be 1, then y will be 1. Here also if x is 1, y will be 1. So this is that part. So upper part is for x raised to m and lower part is for x raised to 1 by m. So here option A is correct. We can take any value of m to check this. Question 10. The bar graph shows the data of students who appeared and passed in an examination for 4 schools PQRS. The average of success rate in percentage of these 4 schools is. So for each school we have to calculate percentage of passing first of all. So for the first school, let us check. For P, it is 280. 280 students have passed and number of students who appeared is 500. So in 200%, that is 56%. For the second one, it will be 330 upon 600 into 100%, that is 55%. Then 455 upon 700 into 100, this will be in percent, that is 65%. Then 240 upon 400 into 100%, that is 60%. Now average of all these, that is 56 plus 54 plus 65 plus 60 upon 4, and that is equal to 59.0%. So option C is correct. So these were all the questions from GATE 2020 paper. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Keep learning.